Hey everyone, I'm Dan Marsh and I have the pleasure of leading up the ServiceNow practice at AC3. I'm here to talk today about what we are seeing in the not-for-profit industry and the use of ServiceNow. And I really think this is a really strong and imperative topic to discuss, because not-for-profits, for the most part, aren't sitting there with a treasure trove of cash at their disposal to be able to just unlock and drive, digital transformation. So adopting a platform like ServiceNow is generally a big investment. And with that, what we are seeing is organizations not maximizing the use of the licensing they're already paying for. So the purpose of this video is really to provide some advice, so that if you are a not-for-profit or you are looking to leverage a capability like ServiceNow, I want to provide some sound advice to really set you up for success moving into the future. So if you have ServiceNow, the first piece of advice I can offer is really to understand what you are licensed for. What does it include? What is activated versus what is not activated? For the things that aren't activated, understand whether it's something that is going to propel you closer to your vision or a strategic goal or a tactical goal. And if it is, perfect, put it as part of the backlog in your roadmap. If something isn't part of that vision, don't move forward with it. But the key point that I want to get across here is we often see customers being sold a Ferrari, but they're really only using 5% of the Ferrari. So we really want to make sure, especially in the not-for-profit industry, that we are seeing the maximization of license value, the ROI from the investment. It is imperative, because when it comes to leveraging a platform like ServiceNow, there is so much that you can do, but the sad reality is that not many not-for-profits are really maximizing the use of what they're paying for. So if you are new to, or you're assessing the use of ServiceNow as a platform, one of the key things is really getting clear on the goals. What are you looking to achieve? Once you've got clarity on what you're looking to achieve, you can actually align up the key objectives of what you're looking to adopt and enable, and what licensing tier is the best fit for you. A ServiceNow partner like AC3, we often work with our customers or new customers that are coming into the ServiceNow ecosystem to help inform the right licensing tier for them. We don't like to see customers, paying for a top tier licensing, but really not having the funding, the strategy, or the vision to unlock the value. In a lot of cases, we see customers that really don't have a clear view or understanding of what they're paying for. So it's imperative when you're working or looking to adopt the ServiceNow platform that you work with a partner that has really got your best interests at heart, so that you can actually have a clear view and a roadmap so you can unlock that value. One of the other mechanisms that we are seeing more and more in the not-for-profit industry as well, where there may be lack of funds to unlock value, is also the development of capabilities through the App Engine. So you may pay for a capability like IT service management, but you may have aspirations to digitize line of business functions. So in not all cases you need to adopt a whole new module. You can actually leverage what you're already paying for, and through a small tactical project, we can create an application targeted for a different line of business team, which extends ITSM. So there's a mechanism there to unlock additional license value from what you're already paying for. And maybe the roadmap item for you is to adopt a native capability for that department. So we really want to get we want to get aligned with our customers and really provide that sound advice so that you are unlocking value. We want to make sure that you're unlocking value in alignment with your vision, but also we want to have a real conversation as to what your real aspirations are, so that we know when is the right time to adopt maybe a higher tier of licensing or a new module, but we will always provide the sound advice on how we can achieve your goals. So now there's a little bit about what we're seeing in the not-for-profit industry. If you'd like to understand more or you'd like some guidance, please feel free to reach out. We'd be happy to have a chat and talk through the journey ahead.